Every cast. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we took a little fishing trip down to McGee Creek in Atoka, Oklahoma. I'm gonna let you guys check out this wild boat ride. By far one of the craziest boat rides I've been on. McGee Creek is a narrow body of water, and in the channel it runs anywhere from 60 to 100 foot. You have to stay in the center because on each side there's a lot of trees. But that didn't stop my stepbrother from going as fast as his boat would go. I'll let you guys check out this short video of the wild boat ride. Hope you enjoy.